Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a mobile home tour of our 2008 4-bedroom double wide mobile home. So this is what it looks like when you come through the front door. You've probably noticed we got a little bit of new furniture. The couch is new. But yeah, these are just the IKEA shelves that we added to the fireplace to make it look kind of like a custom built-in. Alright, if anyone's wondering, we did get the couch from Wayfair. Right now I think they're having a Mother's Day sale, so I will try to find that link and I'll put it down below for you. Alright, so this is the entryway right when you walk in the front door. I'm missing a plant there because it's actually hanging on my door, or a wreath I should say. Also, I know the shoes look tacky. We're trying to figure out a better idea, so let me know if you have any ideas. But wanted to show you this door that I stained. I think I've talked about it before, but for you new people, I actually just painted it white and then added a gel stain over it. I did this before my YouTube, so I don't have a video, but maybe I'll do the other side in a future video and show y'all how that works. But yeah, this bench was just a headboard that somebody turned into a bench, and I had to have it as soon as I saw it. I thought it would look good in the space, and it was just so unique. So back to the shoes. I actually purchased this right here, but it only has, it probably only holds about 8 pair of shoes, so, and it was a little bit flimsy, so I don't think we're going to use it there, and it really didn't look right, so I'll figure out something for that, but for now, it's just going to stay here. But yeah, let me know what y'all do with y'all's shoes by the front door. Alright, so this is our dining room. We just did a video right here of the, there used to be a sideboard here, but I gave it to my mother, so we just built this out of stock shelves and added the extra shelving on top. It looks a little cluttered because we just got back from yard selling and we bought some of the stuff, so I just threw it there. Normally it doesn't look so cluttered. In case anyone's wondering, I bought this table from Facebook Marketplace, so I'm not really sure what it's from. The light fixture above the table came from Amazon. And this is just our little hallway that goes into the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Actually, it's 2 bedrooms and an office. We'll show that in part 2.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever?
Y'all, Silas is being rambunctious as always. You haven't seen him in a while. He's gotten so big.
Call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over.
There he is. He's a bad boy. He's so cute though. But he is very hyper. Hey Silas.
I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. fake, you never lie. You never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument.
So this hutch is one of my favorite pieces in my house. I just love it. It has all my Pyrex and my swung vases. We painted white over here, so I need to continue throughout the whole kitchen. I think it makes it a lot brighter, so that's why I stopped right there. When we did that makeover, I just didn't have time. But yeah, eventually the whole kitchen's gonna end up being white. Alright, so this is just a little bit more of some of my collection. I know some of y'all think this looks tacky, having all this glassware and dishes everywhere, but it's just my personal preference. I like it. It makes me happy, so I'll keep it there. I want to do a wood cover right here that you see, the Farmhouse wood cover, so hopefully that'll be in an upcoming video soon. I've been working on a little bit of propagation and trying to get these plants to grow. They're doing pretty good. That one's doing really good. I need to get him in some soil. But this one's going to go in the koi pond. And this one I just found the other day. And look at it, it's already got a little bloom on it. Alright, so the one right there in the little black container is actually a mimosa tree. I'm very excited. I hope that one makes it. Get out of the way. Turn the laundry light on, please.
Oh my gosh.
And move it.
Sorry guys. Make sure you hit that like button and check out Why Not Comics on
Get
YouTube.
Out of the way.
That's my channel if you want to know about comic books.
Okay, we have a little gate here. Oh, this is also the pantry door. I get a lot of questions about this. This was made, well, the door was already there. This is just peel and stick wallpaper from Walmart. I just cut it. I put it on and then trimmed around it with a little knife while it was on the door already. And then I just cut these little extra pieces and put them sideways to make them look like a barn door. And this was actually a SVG I printed off of Cricut. So I think that looks really cool. And the sign, of course, came from Hobby Lobby. And we'll circle around here to the laundry room. We just put up some wood casing, and these my neighbor gave me. Actually, not these. She gave me the ones in the bathroom. These came from, I believe, a yard sale. This makeover before, I'm sure. It's probably due for another one. That's been about 1.5 years ago.
Have you shown the bedroom yet? Or is that going to be next video?
The bedroom's going to be next video because I told them about all the mess with the yard sale stuff.
We're going to show them the comic book room too, because you're talking about something cool. That's cool.
Yeah, we'll show you the comic room. All right, I'm going to blow out these candles, and then I'm going to... These were just made from my Cricut. I thought that was a cool idea. But then we have this little IKEA shelf here with our koi fish food and stuff like that. The dog's leashes.
Do you know where the scissors are?
I do not. This came from Hobby Lobby. Burke's. But yeah. I'm going to blow these candles out and then we'll take you out on the back porch. Be right back. Alright guys, so this is our back porch. Sorry about the voiceover, but the rooster would not hush. But yeah, we've done a lot of work out here. I want this to be like my little oasis, so we're still working on that. We're going to have a video in a couple weeks on the side yard. We're going to be adding the hot tub, our new hot tub we just got with the lights. We're probably going to work on that a little bit today after we get done recording this. But yeah, we're going to show y'all that next week. All right, y'all, so that's it for part 1 of our mobile home tour. In the next one, we'll be showing you all the bedrooms and the office, so stay tuned.